Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps in this device. So all we have to do basically is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, all you have to do is to tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and then you will open the recents. If you've got the gestures, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close, for example, one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up. If you want to close all of them, just tap on close all, and basically this is it. So this is how to turn off running apps in your OnePlus Nord device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.